everyone and welcome back to the Forensic Math. Today we are here with a case study related to wildlife forensic. Today's case report is about Rajasthan uncovers Chinkara poaching racket. Introduction to the case. Earlier this month, during the coronavirus lockdown, the Rajasthan Forest Department arrested 4 people of a local tribe in Jaisalmer district who were suspected to be involved in poaching of Chinkara. According to the initial investigation, so far, the 4 accused are suspected to have killed hundreds of Chinkaras over almost a decade. The Chinkara is Rajasthan's official state animal and has the highest protection under India's Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Case report. During the first week of April 2020, the Rajasthan Forest Department nabbed 4 people suspected to have killed hundreds of Chinkara and other protected species over the past several years. The latest incident, they are suspected to be involved in this poaching of 3 Chinkara, Rajasthan state animal. The 4 accused, who belong to the local Bhil tribe, live near the Desert National Park in Jaisalmer region, one of the India's largest national park located close to the India-Pakistan border. This breakthrough is ongoing Chinkara poaching could also lead to the further revelations on poaching and trafficking of other wildlife like supply of spiny-tailed lizard to the southern India from this region. Assistant Conservator of Forest, Rajasthan Government, Balram Sharma, who led the team that nabbed the accused, informed that the incident in the Pokhran region of Jaisalmer in Rajasthan came to light after they received a tip-off about the poaching of Chinkaras on April 2nd from the local Bishnoi community, which is known for protecting animals. They got the information about the poaching of Chinkaras near Ramdevra village, Pokhran. A team was sent to the spot which discovered remains like head, skin and other body parts of 3 Chinkaras which include 2 male and one was the female. Subsequently, one of the accused was arrested from his house in the nearby area along with some remains of animals including meat. They had shot the animal with a gun which we recovered from them. Following that, 3 more accused were nabbed over the next few days, Sharma told Mongabe, India. He revealed that some of the accused already have more cases of poaching registered against them. They used to hunt the animals and then eat their meat and bury away the remains. They have been doing this for years and now and killing animals like Chinkaras, said the Sharma. Chinkara or the Indian gazelle is among the list of animals that have the highest protection under the Wildlife Protection Act. The arrest made by the Rajasthan Forest Department. Here are the 4 accused. They were arrested in the Chinkara poaching case. And here are the remains or the evidence the Forest Department and the police have collected. After that, the police officer also asked them that they used to supply meat of hunted animals to the local hotels for preparing non-vegetarian dishes. Balram Sharma said no such connection has been established as of now, but they were investigating all possibilities. They were looking to find out the full chain involved. The Assistant Conservator of Forest said that they are yet to establish the exact numbers of animals killed by the accused over the years. The initial investigations show that the accused have been operating in the area for nearly a decade. During the investigations, it emerged that 4 accused used to hunt nearly every alternate day. They are estimated to have killed several hundred of animals and or even 1,000 as they were used to kill one, mostly chinkara, every few days. They are also investigating to find if they have used to supply some parts of animal as well, Sharma told Mongabay India while explaining that the region has a healthy thriving population of chinkaras as there is no top level predator like tiger in the area. Discussion on threat to wildlife. In Thar Desert in Rajasthan, which include the Desert National Park, is also among the tentative list of sites submitted by the Indian government to United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization to be declared as a World Heritage Site. Declared a protected area in 1980, the Desert National Park covers an area of 3,162 km square and falls in extreme hot and arid region of a very low rainfall zone. Many species of mammals, birds and reptiles are found in Desert National Park. Among the wildlife found in the national park are the Indian spiny-tailed lizard, dwarf gecko, Persian gecko, desert monitor, dozens of bird species, including the critically endangered great Indian bustards and chinkara, desert fox, desert cat, hairy-footed gerbil, and long-eared hedgehog. ACF Balram Sharma said it is a vast habitat and the population density is very less in this area and sometimes one house is more than a kilometer away from the another one. Environmentalist Sumit Dokia said that since the last 2.5 years, he, along with many local community volunteers, has been gathering the information on any poaching related cases in this part of Jaisalmer district. This work was a part of a long term wildlife monitoring and conservation project of Great India Bustard. In the last 2 years, they were able to locate many spots where the spiny tailed lizard were regularly hunted. While narrowing down the information and findings the culprit, they were able to pass information to the forest department and successfully 4 cases were filed in the last 2 years. This current Chinkara poaching case is interestingly related with the same gang of culprit Dokya told Mongabay, India. He said that they believe that this case is a big breakthrough in cracking a national level network of supplying spiny tailed lizards to southern India, where the desert dwelling reptiles have been confiscated multiple times. A thorough investigation on these lines is required and hopefully the forest department will be able to crack the same chain from these notorious Chinkara poachers, said Dokia. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe our channel Forensic Mart for such more interesting case studies.